Hey everyone, today we'll be doing another lead code problem, uh, 67 add binary. This is a very easy problem, but it does have a trick to it. We will be given two strings and we have to add them, converting them to binary and give us the output. So the trick to it will be carry. When you add a 0 with 1, you will always get 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. But when we get 1 plus 1, we are not going to write it as 2 in a binary condition. But what we will be doing in this case, this is the only case in this problem which we will be handling. Um, what we will be doing is inserting 0 at that location, but carrying, like we used to do in old school, carrying the variable 1, digit 1 to the next index. And that's it. This is pretty much it. We have to carry, if the number 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, we are not going to write 2. We will be inserting 0 at that location, but we will be carrying the 1 to the next index. And that's it. This is pretty much it, the logic. And we will be making a result string. Oh, yeah, carry is equal to 0, and we are going to a reverse a and the same with b. We are going to reverse b. And now what we will be doing is putting them in for loop. And what if one string has one string has two indexes, and another string and the second string has five indexes. So we will be taking the most indexes as the range. So to do that, we'll be calling the max function, and then the length of a will be giving it the length of a and the length of b. So that putting them in range function, so that we will be getting the maximum amount of iterations. um, that's it. If now we will be handling an index out of bound condition. Otherwise we will be just simply adding the certain location variable to another variable. For example, if I is less than a less than yeah a, then what we will be doing from a, we will add by typecasting it, because we will be using it to add in then a couple of steps. So what we'll be doing is ai, and in the else case, what we will be doing is handling the exception out index out of bound exception, in which we will simply add um, 0. And we will do the same with b. If I is less than length of b, then from underscore b is equal to int, typecasting it to int a, not a, b, of b, and else from b is equal to 0. Okay, so what we are going to do now, uh, we have handled the exception which will be index out of bound, and adding the variable to an added the index variable to another variable. And now what we'll be doing is calculating the total will be from underscore a plus from underscore b plus carry at in the first iteration will be 0 as mentioned above. And now what we'll be doing is typecasting and adding total mod by 2. We are going to add total mod by 2 because whenever we will be getting 1, it is the mod will be 1, and whenever we will be getting 2, mod will be 0 for even and odd, obviously. And then we will be adding it to the result, character plus result. And now what we'll be doing is updating our carry. Okay, so it's pretty much done, but carry will be, if carry is equal to 1, then it is pretty obvious that the first index is going to be 0, and we are not going to write 0 as a 0 from the starting location as a binary. We will be adding 1 because carry was going to add in that location, but it never got the chance to add it there. If carry after exiting the after processing the whole loop is 1, then we will add 1 plus result, and that's it. Now after all of this we will return result, and I think that's good to go. Let's see if we get any errors. No, we didn't get any errors, and now let's submit it. Okay, so that's it.